Hey, my people, it don't happen again. You don't settle area. Hey, not be small something. I know say most of una know this prophet. Elena Prophet Ikuru. My people, he don't still come out again. Oh, this one so when he come out with not be small something. This one loud. For inside this video, my people, I know to talk too much. Make una listen to this prophet for waiting. He use the mouth to talk again. Wahala no dey finish for Naija. Make una regade.
Yeah. On one of the Niger Delta, the hero prophetic of our time, 2023 calendar. One. It's too much, Baba.
The hero of democracy. The Buruburu one of the Niger Deltas. The Ekuche one of the Urobos. Ene eku ni ikuku. Ikuku ene ebue. Na agebe ozilie. One of the South region.
We be Jebel prophetic. Èèyàn ńlá prophet wa. We be Jebel ni. Nto bá ti sọ onira yin gbọ́. Kò sí nǹkan tó sọ tí someone confirm it there. The prophetic hero of this year, this is our prophet, Again Ikuru.
Ọmọ Urobo, Otota, Pobiare, if for election, and a prophet Urobo, Amotame, Omrubo, baby, I go over now. Ata Povia, that's my prophet.
Hallelujah. The word of God is a lamp that shines and it touch under of the water. It sees the secrets. It sees the secret places and it washes through all the hidden places. Are you celebrating Easter? I must say thank you. When you were healing me, there was joy all over me. When you hate God in 1 second, do you know the joy that go to God? God eat praises. When you were healing me, it was like make a fly. Let my body fly. That is how you hear him. Omnipotent. The creator of the heavens and the earth. The Lion of the tribe of Judah. The Omni-Mini. Wow. What am I trying to say? God controls the universe. God is in charge of humanity. I want to say to everyone who are saying that, do you have a church? A prophet indeed does not need to have a church, but he can control nation. You only look for the track record of the prophets. What has God said to him that comes to pass? You've seen many things that has happened. You've seen many things. It's just that you don't want to believe because your heart is dormant. Your heart is full of jealousy. Go and serve God with everything that lives in you. Serve the Lord with your heart, with your soul, with your spirit. Because Jesus said, we are the light of the world, is seated and set upon the hill that cannot be hidden. Listen, I'm addressing this nation at this time that you must live in peace. There should be peace and unity. In this nation, there should be unity and peace. Because as long as you have done well, as long as you have win, and what everyone should do now is to be united. You see, there's no need of disagreement, fighting, discouragement, argument. There should be unity, pure unity for this nation this time. Because why? The man who came in, that God has brought in now, is a father who understands the love of the Spirit. I want to say, the Jagaban of Lagos, of Nigeria, of the whole world. The father that understands the feeling of his children. The man that have made men the crown of glory of men. The man that does poverty from the head of poor men. Men who have raised non-entity to become something. Men who brought Agbado to the out of the street and bring them into limelight. Is a man who understands the map of restoration. All the governor you brought in Lagos, they have shown well. Babajide Sanwo-Olu, I can see the crown. I can see the glory on your head. I can see the blessing on your head. I can see the miracle on your head. I can see the wisdom of God on your head. I can see the light of God in your eyes. I can see peace surrounding you and your government. May the Almighty God bless you. I send this prayer to you, to all APC and all parties in this country, that the peace of God should remain with you. God bless you. I remain Prophet Again Ikuru. As you share this video, you will never die on time. God bless you.
My people, shey una don listen to Prophet Ikuru. No be small something, my people. I know say most of una know say na Agbado side na e dey. Na him dey support. Na he dey honor himself. He dey hail himself. Say na prophet of this time, prophet of 2023. Say anything wey he talk, the thing dey come to pass. My people, as I cross this one, I will talk to lies. No be small something, my people. Now yeah, now I want for leave una. Thank you guys for watching, and I so much appreciate you guys. Ciao, ciao, everyone. Bye bye.